முன்னலா எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த இந்த வந்தாச்சு எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். నేను కూడా I have born and brought up with most of the Tamil families in Venkatapuram Alval. So I can understand Tamil, I can also speak Tamil, but the thing is, speaking the language, Tamil language at home and the dayas is something different. So kindly excuse me. And it's a very privilege. First of all, I would like to thank Sainath Uncle Garu, Kripakar Garu, and Hyderabad Mahanagar Tamil Sangam. And I'm very happy that seeing you all here, because I have been watching very practically the lives of Tamil, our families, how they've been got settled in Hyderabad. If at all you see the major parts, especially at the business level, the small business level, you can find the Tamil people over there. And wherever we find the Tamil families, we find the culture, we find the roots of our Indian culture, we find our people, our ownness. If at all you see in Hyderabad, it's a mixed language. తెలుగు హిందీ ఇంగ్లీష్ అన్నీ మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటారు. బట్ మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి పుట్టామో, ఏ భాషను, మన జీవితము, మన తరతరాల నుంచి వస్తున్న ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్ని, ఆ కల్చర్ని ఇంకా స్ట్రాంగ్ చేస్తూ, ఇంకా బలోపేతం చేస్తూ ఉన్నదంటే దట్ ఆల్సో is one of the reason for our Indian culture to be strong and making our children very strong for the culture and the discipline of the India. And I am very small to honor Professor Velu, just let me tell, Palla Velu Garu, and also GBK Rao Garu, and also Madhusudan Garu. I am very young and very little, and I am, to tell you frankly, I am nothing friend of you all. But I am very happy and very honored, and it's inspiring for me because I just entered into the politics as being daughter of Gadar. We have been with the people, we have been with the downtrodden people, we were in the struggle, but always we were back end. But all of the sudden, after the demise of Gadar Garu, I came into the politics stating that his last vision was to change the political system of India. He was coming with a vision. He was coming with a very great vision. He himself said that, yes, after my operation, I am going to get operated. I am going to come back to the people with a South Indian cultural revolution to safeguard the Constitution of India, to safeguard the voting power. These two are very much important in the present situation because of the Constitution. Still our culture is there, still the women and the downtrodden people are getting equal rights and we are being recognized. So it was his vision to start up a cultural revolution from Telangana, moving ahead with Andhra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and he wanted to make a South Indian cultural revolution. On behalf of Hyderabad Mahanagar Tamil Sangam, I heartily thank our Congress party, Revanth Garu, and the ministry for giving me opportunity as a cultural chairperson, where I got an opportunity to start up a South Indian cultural revolution from Telangana Samskriti Sarathi, where I'll be going to the ground level, to the downtrodden people, speaking about the schemes, the government schemes which are being formed to the downtrodden people for their benefit, for their development. Along with this, we will be coming with different skits and the stories, not only the songs, different forms of Telangana Sanskriti, by motivating, by making them let know the importance of the Constitution of India as well as the voting rights. I'm very happy being here because honoring Professor Pallavelu Garu, Madhusudan Garu, and BVK Rao and all the dignitaries here. And it is an encouragement for me too, because I just entered into politics. And politics is not to make a business. Politics is to service, is my motto and the message. So I just started and being inspired by the great personalities who started as a mission nothing to everything is what I have learned here, sir. And even taking our Pragati resorts, sir, where there is no water at all, he made greenery and given to the people. That is what the life is. We need to show our children who are busy with their mobiles, who are busy with the technology. We need to make the mobiles aside, the technology aside, the technology keeping aside. I say don't ignore them. They are not life. So our life is the nature. The life is people around us. We need to live with the people. We need to live with the nature. Then take help of the technology is my vision. So I heartily request all dear parents to avoid the mobiles. I do avoid mobile. Whenever I go home, I don't use mobile. I have very little kids. One is 5.5 years old and one is 3.5 years. Till now, they don't use my mobile. They don't watch TV. Right? If they watch the TV, it will be the songs of Gadar Garu, nothing else. So it is very hard for a parent in the current generation to avoid mobile, TV and all. But we have other forms of things where we need to take time for them in order to make this life better society. So I thank this opportunity, giving me this opportunity, sir. I would like to sing a song for you all. It will be in Telugu. That is Gadarana song. So Uncle Gari famous song, I oka bittu paartanu. Ere jende niyalo herrerani jenda
niyalo ere jende niyalo mana errani jenda niyalo ere jende
అనాలన్నాలే నీయలో మరి వెన్నెల కోనాలే నీయలో వెన్నెల కోనాలే నీయలో మరి వెలుగు రవ్వాలే నీయలో వెలుగు రవ్వాలే నీయలో మరి నువ్వు నేను ఎన్నీయలో నువ్వు నేను ఎన్నీయలో మరి కలిసే పోదామె నీయలో కలిసే పోదామె నీయలో మరి నడిసే పోదామె నీయలో నడిసే పోదామె నీయలో మనం పేదల కోసం మెనీయలో ఎరె జెండెరె 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 జెండ. This is the song represents tell that we all together will sing, dance, catch our hands, walk together miles away in the darkness. We are going to give lights to the people who don't have lights, who don't have lives at the downtrodden people is what the song is. And the most famous, a bit-wise songs, I would like to sing small song of Gadar Garu. The first, it was the song of 1960s that has shaked, even till today the song is very famous, and how the song has been played an important role in Telangana. Why Telangana? His songs have always inspired the people. His songs motivated people. His songs made the people to realize what is the actual situation, why are they facing the problem, what is the reason of the problem, how you are supposed to overcome the problem is what the message he has been giving for the people. And that a bit of songs I'll be singing, if at all you don't mind. Ellaruku okay na? Thank you so much. బండెన్క బండి గట్టి పదహారు బండ్లు గట్టి
ఏ బండ్లో వస్తావు కొడుకో
నైజాము సర్కరోడ నా జీల మించినౌరో
నైజాము సర్కరోడ
సుట్టు సుట్టు సూర్యపేట నట నల్ల
నల్లగొండ
సుట్టు సుట్టు సూర్యపేట నట నల్ల నడుమగొండ
ఉండేది హైదరాబాదు నువ్వు పక్క గోలుకొండ
గోలుకొండ కింద కొడుకో గోలుకొండ కింద కొడుకో
కొండ కింద కొడుకో దాము సర్కరోడ
నిన్ను గోరి గర్దం కొడుకో నైజాము సర్కరోడ. This song is still famous and the hearts burn and you will be ready to fight is the song. It was Mahabhumi song. And then why in 90s and 2000 people did not understand the uneducated, educated, the normal layman, the women, the children, the educated. Nobody understood. Even I did not understand why we need to fight for the Telangana. Then here we have come up with a song. That song you can find in the YouTube. I'll just sing a song. అమ్మా తెలంగాణమా ఆకలికే కలగానమా అమ్మ నీకు వందనాలమ్మో కమ్మని ప్రేమానిదమ్మో ఎటోలా మట్టి చిప్పవో ఎటోలా మట్టి చిప్పవో గాయదొల్లా గండ్రగొడ్డలివో అమ్మా తెలంగాణమా ఆకలికే కలగానమా అమ్మా తెలంగాణమా she's blessed with everything but she's nothing nil. She's not having a food, she's not having shelter, she's in the tears is what every culture is going to be explained in this song. This song have realized the downtrodden people, educated the rich, everybody, why we wanted Telangana. And when Telangana was where the fight was going, the agitation was going, the only song, with the only song we got Telangana, that is పొడుస్తున్న పొద్దు మీద నడుస్తున్న
గానమా పేరు తెలంగాణమా
పోరు తెలంగాణమా
నాడు తెలంగాణమా
బలే 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 హా
పానం.
లో నలిగిపోయిన న్యాయమా ఆంధ్ర వలస తూటాలకు ఆరిపోయిన దీపమా మా పాలన మాకేనని బలే 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 హా మా పాలన మాకేనని తిరగబడ్డ రాగమా మరలబడ్డ గానమా. This song will be there in the history forever, in the Telangana hearts, even in the South Indian hearts. And the last most important song which he have written for a movie, the movie is not yet released, but the song has been very famous. I would like you all to Google in the YouTube and look at the song. It is the song which has given message to the women, to the youth, to the politician and to the people why we need to support women. How we need to take the educated youth, what is the role of the youth, and what is the life pattern which is going for the youth. And the next, he also given message to the politician, what is the role and responsibility of the politician. And at the end, he has given a message why we need to safeguard the Constitution of India and why it is important for us, for our future lives. That song is Banisalara Lendira, ఈ బాంచను బతుకులు వద్దురా అడక తింటే మన ఆకలి తీరదు గుతి గుంజుకుందామురో నా బానిసలారా లెండిరా నాకు జన్మనిచ్చిన తల్లివి నా తోడబుట్టిన సెల్లివి ఎన్నాలి కన్నీలు మీ కనుల నిండా నీలు మీరు సింగులు చెక్కితే చాలో సింహం పరుగులు తీసు జూలు దులుపుకొని ఉరుకు అమ్మా నీకు వందనం సెల్లి నీకు వందనం నవతరమా యువతరమా భవిష్య భారత భాగ్యమా తల్లిదండ్రుల స్వప్నమా అమర ప్రేమికుల దీపమా నిరాశ నిస్పృహ నిరుద్యోగముతో తెగించే తలపడే సైన్యమా ధైర్యమా శౌర్యమా యువతరమా నవతరమా రాజకీయ బానిసలారా ద పొలిటీషియన్స్ రాజకీయ బానిసలారా రాజీ బతుకులు వద్దురా ఒకే మనిషికి ఒక ఓటురా నోటుకు బలి పెట్టొద్దురా వెల కట్టలేనిది ఓటురా భావితరాల బతుకురా బాటరా బోలో రే జై భీమ్ భారత మాత రాజ్యాంగం అభాగుల ఆయుధం 7 తరాల త్యాగం అది జ్ఞాన యుద్ధముల గ్రంథం వేదం శాస్త్రం నా బానిసలారా లెండిరా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇట్స్ ఆల్. I believe that a person will become great personality, a person, the history, he'll be making his mark in the history when they're going to do service to the people without any bias, without any selfishness, as Dr. Sir, Pragati Resorts, everybody are doing. That's what the Gaddarana have done it. Any personality will be in the history, will be in the hearts of the people when they're going to do any service to the people around them and for the nature. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
நண்பர்களே இன்னும் 2